Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inshallah, today we are going to continue our lesson on the subject of additional mathematics. Okay, so we are proceed with chapter 11, permutation and combination. Okay, the last lesson we learned what is the meaning of permutation and how to calculate the most simplest permutation. Okay, and today we are going to see the permutation with condition. Okay, so let's go see the question. Work example 1. Calculate the number of arrangement without repetition of the letters from the word al-amin with the condition, okay, with the condition that they must begin with a vowel. Okay, so here we have 6 letters from the word of al-amin, A-L-A-M-I-N, 6 letters altogether. Now we will have to arrange these 6 letters. So we have to make 6 boxes. Okay, 1 box, 2 box, 3 boxes, 4 boxes, 5 boxes, and 6. Okay, 6 boxes. And remember, the condition is these must begin with vowels, meaning that the first boxes must begin with vowels. What the meaning of vowels? It means that it's either A, I, E, O, U. This is the vowels. Okay. Now, from the word of al-amin, how many vowels we have? We have A, 1, A, 2, and I, 3. We have 3 vowels. Whereas these 3, we are going to choose one of these 3 vowels to put here, either A, or the second A, or this I. Either one is okay. So meaning that here we have 3 choices. Okay? So let's say we put the first box is I. It's okay. I or call it A is no problem. Yeah, everyone. Now, how many letters left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more letters left to be filled in these 5 remaining boxes. Okay. So we start from the second box. What letter can we put here? Now because we have 5 letters left, so we have either L to put here, A also can here, M also here, A also can put here, N also can put here. Meaning that we have 5 choices here. Okay? So let's say we take N, let's see, no problem. L also okay. N. Sorry. Okay. So now as we learned before, okay. So now we have 4 more choices to put here because we have 4 more letters left. 4. And then after we put here 1, and then we have 3 more letters to put here. So we have 3 choices, either this M or A or A. Okay, let's say we put A here. And then there is 2 more letters to be chosen to put the 5th box. So we have 2 more choices. Let's say A also here. And the last, we only have 1 choice only. So let's say here M. Okay? So how many ways that we can arrange this al-amin word with the condition that it must begin with vowels? So to calculate this, we just multiply all the choices that we have inside the boxes. So we have 3 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? So how many? What is the answer? Okay, if we calculate again, 3 times 5, 50 times 4, 16 times 3, 180 times 2 become 360 ways. Okay, to arrange all of this. Okay, understand? Oh, we can use factorial as if we can see here. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 means this is 5 factorial. Okay, 3 here times 5 factorial is equal to, if we use calculator, we will also get same 360. Okay. Work example 2. A group of 4 girls and 3 boys are to be seated in a row for a photography session. If the boys and the girls want to be seated alternately, okay, this is the condition, to be seated alternately, which means that girl, boy, okay? Cannot girl, cannot boy, must be alternate, girl, boy, okay? So calculate the number of different arrangements that we can make, okay? So let's see here. Now we have 4 girls, okay? G number 1, girl 1, girl 2, girl 3, girl 4. Okay? Let we name them Ain, Noor, Mira, and Siti. And we have 3 boys, B1, B2, and B3, namely as Ahmad, Ali, and Abu. Okay, that's it. So now we would like to arrange them, and we must make sure that they are seated alternately. Okay, so there is seven people. So we make 7 boxes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we would like to arrange them alternately. It means that first must be girl, then boy, girl, and girl. We have 4 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3 boys. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So now we would like to arrange them. So we start first with girls. Okay. To put here, how many choices we have? We have 4 choices to put inside this. Either Ain, Noor, Mira, or Siti. Either one is okay, as long as she is a girl. Okay, so we have 4 choices. Let's say we put here no. Okay, let's say no here. Okay, so this we have 4 choices. Okay, now girl here we put 1 here. So we have 3 more choices. To be one of these 3 will be seated here. So here we have 3 choices out of 3 girls. Okay, either Ain or Mira or Siti. Okay, so let's take a Siti. Okay, Siti in the 3rd seat. Okay, now the 5th. Here we only have 2 more girls left to be chosen. Okay, meaning that we only have 2 choices. Okay, either merah or ain. Okay, we pick ain here. Okay. So the last one, we only have one choice. There's no more left. So meaning that what? Meaning that we only have one choice here. We have to put merah at the last one. Okay, we only have one choice. Okay, good for now. Let's go. Okay, now here we going to select one of these three boys. Okay, so for the second place here, okay, is either Ahmad, Ali, or Abu. Either one is okay. Okay, so meaning that we have three choices here. Okay, so who want to be there? Let's say Ahmad lah. Ahmad in the second. Now at the fourth one, first, second, third, and fourth. The fourth one we have two boys left to be selected. So meaning that we have only two choices. Okay. Let's say we pick Ali to sit here. Okay. And the last one we only have Abu left, which means that we only have one choices only. Okay, one choice. Sorry. Okay. Okay. So you see now the girls and the boys are sit alternately. Girl, boy, girl, boy, girl, boys, girl. Okay, understand? So how many ways that we can arrange them? So how to calculate? So this 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. How much altogether? 4 times 3 is 12, times 3 is 36, times 2 is 64, times 2 is 128. Okay, that's one times 9. Okay, or we can use factorial. How? You see here, 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Meaning that 4 factorial. Or 3 times 2 times 1. So here is 3 factorial. Okay, so 4 factorial times 3 factorials is equal to 120. Okay, good. Work example 3. How many 4-digit odd numbers can be formed using the digit of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 without any digit being repeated? Okay, so here we have two conditions. Condition number 1, we only want to arrange only 4 digits. And the second condition is it must be an odd number, cannot even, must odd numbers. Okay, here you see we have 6 digits. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 digits altogether. But the first condition, we only want to form from these 6 into 4-digit number only. So we do 4 boxes only. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 box. Okay, condition number 2, this number that we want to arrange must be odd number. The condition number 2 must be odd number. Okay, what is the meaning of odd number? Odd number means that the number must be end with odd number, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, if we put here 2, it's become even number. If we put here 6, it will become an even number. Okay, so odd number is either 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 at the last digit. Okay, so from this 6 digit, which one is the odd number? So we have 1, we have 3, and we have 5. Meaning that to put at the last box, we have 3 choices. Okay, we have 3 choices, either 1, 3, or 5. So we put here 3 choices. Okay, so let's choose either one. Which one we want to put here? Okay, let's say we put number 5 here. Okay, number 5. Okay. Now we have 5 more digits left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. And these 5 digits, we're going to fill these 3 boxes. Okay, so which means that how to fill this 3 from this 5. Okay, this box we're going to put either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 6, which means that we have 5 choices here. Okay, 5 choices. Okay, so let's say we put 1 here. Let's say. So to put the second box, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 more digits left. So let's say, so meaning that we have 4 choices here. So let's say we put 6 here. Okay. Okay. And the third box is either 3, meaning that we have 3 more choices left. Okay, out of these 3. So let's say we put here 4. Okay. So now become, see, a 4-digit number with odd number, 4-digit odd numbers. Okay. So how to calculate the ways? How many ways that we can arrange this? Okay. So here 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 again. So it's equal to 5 multiplied by 4 is equal to 20. Multiplied by 3 is equal to 60. Multiplied by 3 is equal to 106 and 180. Okay? Understand? So that's all for today. Thank you.